Hey guys, welcome to Login Apps. Today I'll be showing you how to sign up for a Hulu account online on your computer. And now let's dive right in. Now to sign up for a Hulu account on your computer, first open up your preferred browser as I've already opened the Google Chrome. And on the search bar, click over there and type in the address hulu.com and hit on enter. And on the next step you will be on the home page of Hulu over here, guys. Now in order to sign up for a Hulu account, you can see there are three offers. Either you want to sign up for a Hulu and a Disney account with both of them, with both ads for $9.99 a month, or Hulu, Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. If you want these bundles with the Hulu, you can go with these, but we will be signing up for just the Hulu account. So let's click on the sign up for Hulu only. And guys, from over here you'll be required to choose a package on which terms do you want to sign up for Hulu. Let's go with the most popular because it will be friendly for us, the user kinds of people. With that being said, let's click on select. And over here guys, you'll be required to enter your email address and after that enter your password, guys. And after entering your email address and your password, guys, write your name over here, your full name. And after that, select your birth date, guys. And after that, select your gender. Or I am a man, so I'm selecting a man. You can go with anything you want to choose or any gender you want to choose. And that being said, guys, let's go. And after entering all of your credentials over here, guys, the continue button will be available. Maybe there is some kind of error currently on with the Hulu. You can see there it says the can't verify your email address right now, even though the email address is typed correct. And with that being said, guys, the continue button will be available. Click on the continue button over here, and on the next step you will be required to enter your card details of your bank account through which you want to, or you will be paying for the Hulu subscription. And with that being done, guys, your Hulu account will be created and ready to use. And that being said, guys, this is how you sign up for a Hulu account on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.